Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product can be found on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a tool that's going to keep your grass looking absolutely amazing, and it is a scarifier slash dethatcher, and this was sent over by a company called YARDCARE. And what does this do? How does this work? So first off, the dethatcher, which is going to include this blade right here. The blades are very easy to pop in and out on the underside, but what a dethatcher is going to do is it's going to get in there with your grass, and it's going to remove those dead blades of grass, which is going to allow your grass to fill in fuller and grow a little bit better. So it's a nice way to go ahead and just remove all that dead and keep your grass nice and healthy. Now, when you are utilizing the dethatcher, it also comes with a nice little bag, so that way you are not going and just dumping all that dead debris right back in your grass. It'll collect it into the bag, and then you can dispose of it however you need, whether it's a compost, trash, etc. And this bag is very easy to remove off of the back. Now, the other tool out of this is a scarifier, and that is perfect for if you're wanting to replace any dead patches in your grass. Let's say you're wanting to reseed, you're wanting to put down fresh soil, and it's going to turn that existing soil up, so that way things can take root. It's also easy to use if you have like a flower bed or whatnot and you're wanting to mix that up. It works very well with that as well, and it's got the more kind of solid blades, if you will, and that's going to cut deeper into the soil. So this thing is going to have 5 different positions. When you're just moving it around, you want to have it in the plus 10 millimeters, so that way the blades are up off the ground. It's easy to move forward and push around the device. As you can see, it looks very much like a lawnmower, but it is super lightweight because it's all electric. Now, you're going to use, for the dethatcher, you're going to want to use the -3 or the -6 millimeters. I mean, they're going to be kind of a little bit lower, and it's going to be able to grab the tops of those blades, or of the grass. And then if you're really wanting to turn up the soil, you're going to want to go down to the -9 and -12 millimeters. And that's going to get deeper for tilling when you are utilizing the scarifier. Now, as far as the bag itself, this does hold about 10.5 gallons, so you'll be able to do your whole yard, and instead of having to empty it out multiple times, you'll be able to continuously go, which is a nice feature as far as collectioning of the debris itself, if you will. Now, as I mentioned, it's very easy to swap out the blades depending on your application. This is powered by electric, so you have a nice little electric cord up here. You just make sure you just plug it in and you're good to go. It does have a built-in safety mechanism, so you gotta push down the button and then pull up the handle to make the device start running, so that way you don't accidentally spin those blades when you're not expecting it or wanting to utilize it. As far as the working width, it is about a 14-inch width, so that's going to mean you have less times passing by as far as doing your yard. You're going to notice the front wheels are a 7-inch wheel and the back wheels are a 5.5-inch wheels. The wheels are made out of a kind of dense solid plastic, so you don't have to worry about puncturing any rubber or refilling them with air or anything like that, which is nice. Now, as far as the device for storage, these arm pieces do fold down and flat, which is nice. So as far as compaction, it will be about 29.5 inches in depth and only 11.5 inches tall. So it does get nice and flat as far as the compaction of it, which makes it great for storage. Now, as assembly, super easy. All you're gonna have to do is put on kind of the extension arms, which are adjustable for your height. All that is spelled out here in the user manual. Very easy to operate. But overall, and like I said, it's very lightweight to carry around. So if you are looking for a device that's going to basically make your grass look healthy, super easy and easy to store, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.